So, what the heck are these things? Well, I thought I'd do this little video on these. I've done one on this one specifically, and I'm going to link it at the end of the video if you're interested, and tell you how it works and stuff. But what this is all about is occasionally, if you work on some very old gas appliances, you may come across these things. And I just kind of wanted to do a little brief overview of what they are. This is a pilot safety. And there'll be pilot lines coming in here, there'll be a thermocouple coming out of there, and these two terminals here will go to the gas valve. They're in series with the gas valve, so if this isn't, the switch in this is not made, then it won't allow main gas. And it's kind of got directions on it. You can't really read them too well, but if you're trying to do the pilot on this thing, you know, relight the pilot, then you're going to have to hold this down while you relight the pilot. And it's spring loaded, it's kind of hard to hold down. But that's a pilot safety from many, many years ago. And a lot of people just don't even know what they are. And you can't figure out how to relight a pilot or something. So this is just to let you know that you can relight it by actually pushing that down like that and lighting the pilot and holding it down for a minute or so until it fires up. Okay, here's another one. This is actually the same thing. This thing has no instructions at all on it. At least that's got a little bit of instructions on it. Thermocouple comes out of here. And this is the button to hold it down. You hold that down, light the pilot, and then let it back up. There's also a little valve here. That's a hand valve to shut off the pilot. Because this does not, let's see, I don't believe this is, yeah, it is 100% shut off. But, no, it isn't. It's not really 100% shut off. You would have to actually shut this off like that in order to shut the pilot light off. Yeah, I know. It's not the greatest thing in the world. Anyway, but that's what that is. And you press this down and hold it and light the pilot. That's how you'd make the thing work. Hopefully nobody's going to hardly work on these things anymore, but they were all replaced by this, which is a combination gas valve, which has all the functions of the gas chain, which here's an old beat up gas chain right there that has the manual valve, regulator, and the gas valve there. It doesn't have the pilot safety on it, but this is what replaced it. And if you come onto one of these things, you should just simply know what to do when you come onto them. And this is it. Hold that down, light pilot. Hold that down, light pilot. That's pretty much it. And that's it on this one.